Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove the text from a photo in Photopea, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a solid image, which is just one layer. This is all in one layer, so the text isn't separate, so I can just click delete over the text, and this is what you're going to use to remove this text. Firstly, you want to go and select the magic brush tool, and while holding down shift, just click on it and click on every single letter. Make sure they are one solid color. If they are more than one solid color, it might not work. This is only guaranteed to work in this situation. As you can see, it just selected nothing there because it counted it as a flower for some reason, as with the L as well, as you can see. And you just need to click on every single element that you wish to remove. Now what you want to do, since as you can see it doesn't cover the entire text, you want to go into select and go into modify and go into expand, and for example, let's just expand it for 2 pixels. And as you can see, it has been expanded around the text and 1 pixel around the text as well. And now what you want to do is go into edit once everything is selected and click fill. And once you click on fill, you need to make sure that content aware is selected, and once you're done with that, just click OK. Then once it processes it, as you can see, it will turn it like this, and if I go into select and deselect it, you can see that it doesn't look the optimal way. As you can see, it is still blurry in some places. Of course, it looks pretty good and you would need to look closely to notice it, but you can also just repair these by using the spot healing brush tool. You can right click it and set the size if you would like, just to make it easier for yourself, or you can make it more specific if you lower the size. Let's just say this size brush is good, and whatever you color over, it should just heal those spots, and it should, create an image which is much better. Now as you can see, it can still leave it blurry in some places, especially if you select a big area. However, it should be pretty good and accurate. You can play around with it and see how good you can create an image. And yeah, that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.